Creating a Gmail account is straightforward and gives you access to Google's many services. Start by going to the Gmail website or opening the Gmail app. Once there, look for the Create Account option, which will guide you through the setup process. You'll begin by entering your first and last name, which will appear on your email profile. Next, you'll need to select a username, which becomes your unique Gmail address. If your preferred username is already taken, Google will suggest available alternatives, or you can try different versions until you find one that's not in use. After choosing a username, create a strong password that's both secure and easy to remember by combining letters, numbers, and symbols. You'll be asked to confirm the password to make sure it matches. For added security, Google may ask you to add a recovery email and phone number. These help protect your account and allow for easy recovery if you forget your password. After entering this information, read and accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy to complete the process. Your Gmail account is now ready, allowing you to send and receive emails and access other features like Google Drive, Calendar, and more.